this is how simple it is. Hey guys, in this video, I just want to go through the final stages of this opening pool process, the final stages of the cycle. We have everything hooked up to the weather box, electricity, and we are now ready to kick on the pump and the saltwater system for the first time. Actually, I take that back. I have not added any salt to the pool yet, so we will need to do that before we activate that system. But we can go ahead and turn this on. So like the first step is you want to make sure all your valves are open, which it has symbols on there, and you turn it counterclockwise to open the valve. You're going to hear water flow, and if you just put sand in here, if you watch my previous video on how to fill sand into your sand pump, that's dry sand, so it's going to need to purge through the system and saturate the sand for a little bit. You're going to hear different things. Just by the gravity of water, it's going to work its way in here, and then you want to make sure the same thing, open that valve so that the water can flow back in the pool. Once you've done that, you are ready to hit the power button. And this is how simple it is. You literally push that power button and it's on. The other thing I didn't mention is you can turn this to different stages, and this is for a different video, but I have it set to the filter mode, which allows it to pass through the sand pump. This shows how many hours it runs for, and it's going to run, so this is going to run 12 hours straight per day. So basically every 12 hours it's going to run for 12 hours. So it's going to run for 12 hours, off for 12 hours, on for 12 hours, off for 12 hours. So you just push this. They've literally made it so simple. You can lock it, you can change the time, and then you can start it. But once this is on, this is now on an automated cycle, and once you've turned it on once, every day it's just going to run. And same with the saltwater system. Once I get the salt put in the pool, I'm going to turn this on, and it's going to run basically in sync with this, because I'm going to turn them on at the same time. So if you have any questions, hopefully I did a good job making this simple and not overcomplicate things. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Have a good day. Peace.